In this video, I'm going to show you the right method of posting a pin on Pinterest. Because I have seen many people out there who are having good following on Pinterest, but they are not posting their pin properly. And by doing that, they are actually missing out the opportunity to grab the audience they actually want. Because if you are designing a pin to attract the audience and that pin is actually not reaching out to the exact audience which you want to target, then the effort you are putting to design and posting that pin will drain. So if you post the pin and you put the right title, right description and use the right tag which actually your audience are searching on Pinterest, so by doing that, you will be able to rank your pin on the first page of Pinterest, and when someone will search for that particular keyword on Pinterest search engine, they will find your pin, and your pin can actually get free organic traffic of all those people who are actually your target audience. So let's see what is the right way to post a pin. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Pinterest right now. So from the create button, I can just click on create a pin. So here I have actually designed a pin to drive traffic to my YouTube video, and the topic of that YouTube video is how to start affiliate marketing using TikTok. So I've already designed that pin on Canva and downloaded it to my PC. So by clicking here, I can just upload that pin. So after clicking on upload button, you can see that that pin has already uploaded on that dashboard. So as you can see here, the title of that pin is Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And when you search TikTok, Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, you can find this actual video on the third number. So when I open this video, I can just grab the link of that video from here and again go to Pinterest, and in the add a destination link, I can just put the link of that video. So when someone click on that pin, that person will be redirected to my YouTube video which they want to watch. So here you need to understand that what is the reason and what is the call to action for that particular pin. Like my motive is to bring traffic to my YouTube video from this pin. So first of all, I must have to write an eye-catchy line on that pin. So when someone searching that keyword on Pinterest and is scrolling down, and when he or she find my pin, so from that headline, he or she will understand that what this pin is about and what they will get after watching that video. So as you can see here, this pin says that affiliate marketing for beginners. So if someone want to learn affiliate marketing, they can just click on that pin and they can just land on that particular video and they can just watch that video. So that is the whole step-by-step funnel, and that is the motive. So you need to keep the motive in your mind while designing and uploading that pin, so then it will work for you. So you can see that I have designed the pin, I have uploaded the pin, I have added the destination link. So now the tags, title and description. So as you can see here, I've already put the title and description here while uploading the pin, and I basically write this description and this title including all of those people which actually people are searching on Pinterest. So for example, if you start reading that title, I don't know why it is displaying that title a blurry in the double. So anyways, let's read the title, which is how to get free traffic for Amazon affiliate marketing. Like the motive of that pin is when people search on how to get free traffic for Amazon affiliate marketing. Like, you know, many people are doing Amazon affiliate and they are promoting the Amazon product. So if they want to get free traffic for their product from TikTok, so they can search that, they can view that video and they can actually do this. So how I find this keyword, like how I find this keyword is super easy to rank on Pinterest first page. So to do the proper keyword research and find which keyword are highly competitive and which keyword are low competitive, so you can just rank your pin on all of those keywords, you can just go on my Pinterest playlist, and from there you can see I'm having a 2 video on free Pinterest keyword research, number 1 and number 2. So I will put the link of that playlist in the description box, so you can just go there, watch these 2 videos, and right after watching these 2 videos, you will learn like how you can actually find the free keywords from Pinterest on which you can just actually rank your pin and get free traffic. So after watching this video and implementing that method, you will be able to find out the keyword, the golden keyword. So in that case, the golden keyword is how to get free traffic for Amazon affiliate. And we can actually test that keyword on real time on Pinterest. So as you can see here, I go on Pinterest search engine and type for that keyword, how to get free traffic for Amazon affiliate marketing. And you can see that I can see many of the pins, and these are the Pinterest page owner who have just ranked their your pin on that keyword, and you can see that all of those pin are saying the same thing. And you can see that if you see this pin and then if you see my pin, then you can say that my pin is more attractive than these pin. So when I rank my pin on all of those keywords, so my pin will actually stand out in the competition and my pin get more clicks than these pins. So after finding a golden keyword, include that keyword into the title and description of your pin, so your pin can get rank on that keyword on the Pinterest search engine, so you can get more and more traffic on your pin and as well as grow your Pinterest audience. So go again there. So as you can see here, I have put that keyword into the title. So when I start reading the description, you can see that I have actually covered 2-3 more keywords in the description. So it will be a good for SEO point of view, and that will help my pin to rank more. So when you start reading that, you can see that the description says that, have you tried TikTok Amazon affiliate marketing yet? Well, it is the best way out there to get Amazon affiliate sales with TikTok free traffic. So you can see that this description is SEO friendly as well as user readers friendly. So right after creating a stunning and engaging pin with a good hook, which can actually hook the audience from the Pinterest main page to your pin, and in step number 2, after finding the golden keyword with the method which I have just explained you in my other video, you need to put that keyword, you need to put that golden keyword into the title, and you need to put some more keywords into the description. And at last, before posting that pin, you need to put the destination link. Like it can be your YouTube video, it can be your Amazon product or anything else. So when you follow these 4 steps while posting your pin on Pinterest, your pins can actually rank on many of the keywords and you can just start getting good organic traffic and you can actually grow your Pinterest account in just 30 days. So I hope you understand this whole method, and right after watching this video, you will also start implementing all of these 5 steps and do some brainstorming of the tagline and the design of your pin. So it can actually engage your audience and bring traffic to your Pinterest page. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.